All right, you welcome back. That's still Talk. And today now our old school day. We don't send you one old school picture, and we ask you where they out there. Tell us who you think say this baby for the old school picture be. If our producer like us, he go show us the picture again. If you like Una, yes, he go show Una the picture again.
Because so say us if you don't like us.
If you don't like us, yes. Tell us who you think say this baby be and this speaking be. And also, you feel actually don't win plenty things if you feel guess who this speaking where you see for your TV screen be. So just guess who. Guess who. Guess who. Enter Twitter at Wazobia. Guess who this person be. Now our next story for today. This one concerns Deborah Vanessa. Now she's a model and fashion designer, and she don't come outside talk say, "Hey, make una put me down, do my filter." And all they plaid.
Do my filter.
Now
do my filter. Yes.
Okay, sorry. Do my filter.
Keep me for ground.
Okay. Do my filter.
I know they plan to marry anytime soon. No.
Who they talk about?
Now waiting Deborah Vanessa come outside talk. Say she know they plan to. Shall we get a picture?
Yeah, we get a picture. Say, model like this.
Yes, Moki will actually see that picture. Say she know they plan to marry anytime soon, and she intend to settle down at God's time. She can come outside advise women. Say make una not rush into settling down, no. But it go good make you take your time and focus on your career and be somebody. As the right man go surely come along when you don't focus on your career and you don't be somebody. She come outside talk say, I always advise young women out there, say may they not go searching for someone. You say rather may they focus on their self, focus on their career, may there be somebody, and then the right person go they attracted to them. Now wait till she talk see a picture for there. Now she can't explain why she they call herself the African mermaid. She talk say she has always loved water, and she don't love to dey swim for inside the sea since she be 3 years old. And she don't develop love for ocean and underwater life. So the African mermaid don't come outside advise ladies say make una not think of marriage for now. Think of your job and how you go take make am. Then later on God go send the right man come give you. Now ladies, make I ask una this question because she dey advise us. You feel say is it right for a woman to concentrate on career than marriage?
Little Mermaid. African mermaid, sorry.
I won't run.
I know how to talk too much. As an African woman, where we don't advance now, where we talk to technology, don't enter surface, you know, everything have evolved. My good dear, two things make her equal. Face your career, face your marriage life. Marry, face career, make her 50-50, make her equal, balance her. No focus on just career, leave marriage. Marriage gets your own part to play. Career gets your own part to play. So, make them 50-50. I don't go advise anybody make just face only career, forget about marriage. Marry, face career. Do two of them, make them level. Simple.
Well, for me, funny enough, now so this woman said don't come out talk about the same issue when the Williams. For instance, one interview she do recently, she did talk say she did advise single ladies, say make them do all their work, the career where you want build, may you build them up with all your 20s life. Once you done 20 like this, they go 30 for that 10 years, use and build up your career. Then when you reach 30, you begin to think of marriage, and I actually buy into the idea because you get plenty of things where you say when you marry as a wife and as a mother, where you know go fit pursue for your career. Nobody said the man. No, some people go say okay, the man maybe the man no go let you, but not only the man, because by the time you marry, they take up more responsibilities. When you still there single and you decide, okay, you want to actually focus on your career, now you and you alone. If you get any responsibility at all, maybe your siblings and maybe your mama and papa. But apart from that, you know, say not just you, now in there to chase your career. But when you don't come marry, why a husband did there for you to focus on, you need to give him your time. You need to make sure, say you they pamper him, you make him your own, so that another woman will go chook head for inside the matter. And then when you not done the born pikin again, you need to make sure say the pikin don't chop, the pikin go school, he do his homework, he no do da 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 da. With the recent issues of nannies where they kidnap and everything, people go say, okay, I actually want to take care of my children myself. So with all those responsibilities, you want to add career, join them again. It not go there easy. So you need to, and a lot of people they don't know how to balance work and family life together. So you need to actually sit down and focus yourself. But if we constantly we even follow that one, for those babies say they don't can go school on time.
Okay.
God bless you. Because wait, Tatiana.
I just say focus yourself.
Make the waiting Amaka talk say 50-50. If you know the age where I take go university, I be auntie to like 5 people for inside my class. 5-10 people, yes. for my class. That's why they call me big baby. Yes, I dey relate with them because I get swag inside class. I get swag well. So some of them they call me auntie. I say stop calling me auntie. Now the same class we did for this matter, so we'll be age mates. Yes, I understand say I senior you, but you know me say you go to call me auntie inside class. Let me enjoy my moment. I did school too. Night never do when I can't read. But when you say balance, mentally, our head no be the same thing. It gets some women way after one picking they go mental. You know that thing where they talk say when woman born sometimes some of them they crazy. Yes. Depression. Yes, now pressure. When that picking they cry middle of the night and that time sleep they hungry you. I don't see one girl where her parents talk say, okay, since you don't do 200 level marry. You know she be this person who like to sleep like this. And she was already 3 to 4 months pregnant. She did sleep right like this, like 3 times. She don't get miscarriage. Because of the way she did lie, she did very careless. She know, and to her, there's no anything extra. No be belle on her mic. I don't marry now, born now, and so what? Sleep anyhow. But somebody when don't reach 30, you don't plan how to get belle. You don't go for fertility treatment. The way when you go take the lie down, when you carry yourself, it's different. That's why I say now mental thing.
She don't
you must
explain
prepare.
So even when I say 50-50, the person will talk to Williams.
I understand that you're 50-50.
Yeah, no, she don't already even explain and put say start at start at that age. So to say you don't start from that age, although those who don't make the mistake, don't make the mistake. But those who never even get there, go say okay, may I start now to build career? May I not carry marriage for head like load.
But even when you see everything,
you have to balance it because you don't see some people who carry career for head and they reach 50 they're not married.
Yes, I don't.
I'm not trying to say person who carry family for head. You get married at
and
the
they reach 30, they don't. They frustrated.
And you reach 30,
no, I know.
she dey frustrated. Listen, she dey frustrated. Now she won't come follow career. The husband thought say no, not in my house. You need to take care of the children. What did she got to do? She got to divorce and become a single mother.
That is where
now wait,
now
career don't come play. You won't follow career. Now you have to because you have to play mother and father for the children. You have to play mother and father for the children and you dey follow career. She will come look like one mad
50-50 comes in.
Yeah, the 50-50 no dey work.
Maybe I can say
for everybody.
No.
It don't they work for everybody.
It don't they work for everybody.
Everything in this world not the work for everybody. Because say you like round, yeah, you know me say I go like round.
Who tell you I like round?
You know me say, and I just talk am. For example, you know me say me I go wear and go fit me. You know me say if I wear and not go injure my ear. Everything for this life, they work. They work good for some people. They work bad for some people.
Yes, which is good. But listen to what they try to talk. With this kind of country where we get, we be Nigeria. You know the age where normally if you say me person enter university. When jam don't jam and like 4-5 times at 19, jam don't jam and 4-5 times. Then he enter school. Then when I can't go for strike for how many years? 2 years, 1 year. You know how many years the person they take finish school. Then immediately they go for service. At that moment, I won't pay bills because Mom C and Posse don't sponsor you reach road. So you bring in a man today, you don't ready. We need to face this thing reality. You need to do reality check within you. No, you know the crime say you want follow career, follow this one. If you work out for you, if you meet the man, where he sponsor you, where he support you. When I mean sponsor, nobody say go to pay your school fees. Where go support you, where at every point. But the guys themselves these days too, they follow their career.
Yes,
do you understand? So you got to face reality within yourself.
But you need to understand that you are a woman and you get time where you feel stay. You understand?
Don't time yourself.
No, I know that don't time yourself.
Yes.
My own be say, yes, follow career. Yes, think of marriage, but just know how to balance it. Not just use all your life, they follow career, and then any suitor way come your way, you say no. Because I have seen when people just say, no, I want to focus on my career. I get one auntie now. She's a doctor until today because she thought say, I want to focus on being a doctor. She used all her years to do them. Now she don't do like 48 and no man. And she come outside blame herself. Now she says she blame herself because some good suitors come her way, but she say, no, I'm not interested. I need to follow my career. I'm not talking about school. Some people don't need to go to school before they follow what they want to do.
Yes.
You can have a business that you want to do. You focus on your business. But at least, while you focus on that, your business, just still give opportunity to someone where you know, say, get that potential to make you a wife. Now, we kind of the person where you want to be. Like last week, we talked about finding a man where if he supports your business.
Yes.
When you see that person, I'm not saying you should not be career oriented. Yes, you can be. But when you see that person where if he supports your business, supports anything where you they do, why not start it with him? Why you go just start saying, no, I just want to do it on my own. It is just my own. Now, we think. Okay. I just want to focus on this stone. I don't care.
You know why they be like that? You know why they be like that? Because for Nigeria, mostly now where we don't come the day aware of our environment. Sometimes things we don't happen to our immediate family or stories where we don't hear, the shock.
It make us fear.
Yes, now be the fear of unknown. Sometimes you'll be like, you know what? It don't happen to my mom. Actually, my mom been listening to my dad. You know, this kind of family will be saying, Popsy, they call the shot. You understand? So when you can't do on your own, you can say, no way. I don't go ever let my house be like, yes. But that's why how you take, they raise you, they affect your life
lot, forget. A lot. And it's still all up to you if you decide for them to affect you or you don't tell yourself, say, yes, I understand this one a problem. I go need to work against this problem where I actually get. Like now, you grow up in a family where they say the woman, they beat the man. And you don't get that mentality, say, I need to beat my man. But if you can't know, say, yes, now bad thing, I don't recognize this problem. Now, actually, bad thing will not make my family and they very, very okay. And you can't tell yourself, say, it happened to my family, that is not Uwi. That is not Amaka, that's not Queen B, that's not Bettiana. It will never happen to me. Then you will fight against it. But if you allow and say, in my family, that's what used to happen. My mother used to beat my daddy. And you have tried. Meanwhile, you never even tried to come out that thing from your life. Say, it not going to happen to me. And then I will not say, yes, you get problem. To allow your family to affect you.
Yourself first.
Because all of us, we get family issues.
Yes.
We don't get one thing from our family. But if we allow them affect us, we don't go there where we did today.
Yeah.
Right on, preacher.
All right, from there, we enter this next one. And it concerns Drake. I don't know whether I'll get the video of this Drake.
It be like say we supposed to get the video. Yes.
No, Drake.
Yes. Taking the, you know.
I don't know if you get the producer will
acceptance.
actually give us cue to know whether we get Drake video.
The story just
All
don't
right.
one from my ear, but
I
just
tell
give us
you.
the story.
Okay, make I just tell you the story of this Drake. Now, they photograph am for picture when Madonna they do Colobi kiss, give am
Serious
on
Colobi
top
kiss.
stage for inside Coachella. Now, they say Drake don't want if France say come on.
See him.
Yes, this one at the video. She force am.
It be like say they drown. See as in hand, they find help.
So now what happen be say Drake will they perform, he sit down like this, Madonna just from back, just drag his face down, then give him some kind of confirm kiss for him out. So if
But first of all, he act like say they
no.
No, see, it dey find. He no know wetin he wan do. Whether he wan push am, he no know. In hand they wonder like who they drown for inside water.
See this one. Let's say the other hand they calm, the other hand they
it
hold
wasn't
it.
calm. But if you look at the video, you see that he's trying to struggle.
He hold mic.
Yeah, he hold mic. So if fans can't actually dwell on the fact, say, because after the kiss, the guy he do his face, he can't hold the mouth like this.
You know the man.
He cover it. So fans can't dwell on and say, be like say, he not really like what Madonna actually do. But now in the comment side talk say, hey, nothing there wrong in him. I beg me can leave Madonna alone. I actually like what she do. But a close source to Drake talk say, he not really like what Madonna actually do. Now you need to know say Madonna now 56 years old and Drake now 28 years old. And they perform
mama.
on top stage for the US festival. Now what do you think about Madonna's action?
Oh, the thing they disgusting. That mouth, she don't use and kiss almost everybody, both male or both female.
Naturally, she know like
she like
kissing.
extra. Eh?
Naturally, she know like kissing.
Yeah,
Don't
but
forget
aside that,
part.
then
Yeah,
people
not
like
forget
this
that.
con day. Madonna, if you like, make you be gold, made of gold. In short, make you then throw you, make nothing don't touch you. I know if you kiss that your mouth. I know you be legend. Legend say you they kiss everybody.
What you go do if you're there on stage?
If
on
na
stage
you at
with
the
somebody?
I go push her.
Okay.
If not Madonna, I go
No,
Madonna leave me alone.
a man. Let's say somebody like I don't know. I know I'm forgetting name.
No, use Don Jazzy her.
No, she go
her-
allow
Don Jazzy, she go grab am.
She go allow
This
Don Jazzy
one.
kiss
No,
her.
she don't like kiss now. I don't get.
I said
Okay,
Don Jazzy
let's
wan
say
kiss
somebody
am, she
like
go use
Kiss.
Don Jazzy
Let's say
name.
somebody like sorry, we love you. Let's say somebody like Sonny Ade. You there on stage with him, and he just. Okay, Charlie Boy then.
I'm low.
You just dey do for fire part of fire.
I just find trouble. Don't
Okay,
mind me.
Raskiboni.
I'll go.
Oh, yes.
I'll hug Raskiboni.
No, kiss.
No, kiss.
The hair.
Okay, Daddy Shoki.
Yeah, Ras. Yes.
Yes, you are very
kiss
wicked
somebody.
somebody.
I'll kiss Daddy Shoki.
And you say you are not a
Sonny
kissable
Ade,
person.
Listen. No, I know they do tongue. I know tongue
But this
kiss.
is more than
I know.
more than tongue.
This is more than
No,
That is
I know.
swallowing.
They do
They-
tongue, teeth.
Now swallow
No,
them swallow.
since he no want time, I'm sure Derek no give her tongue. Now she dey dip her tongue
really
inside.
Derek.
His name na Drake.
Drake, I been a Derek, I been a
You don't
Drake.
talk like him, Owa.
Derek. I talk.
You know the thing they say? The thing they find me for stomach as I watch that video, you go see and say, what? Like,
for me, first of all, Madonna don't do this thing, no be once, no be twice, no be 3 times. Yes, you be legend, but it no mean say you fit just do anything because you feel say you be legend. When I watch this video, I be they imagine, I say, okay, for instance, maybe come home into Nigeria, maybe give the thing scenario, maybe come be like, say, person like
Oya Chook.
No. Oya Chook, no. Make
You can a woman now, like a man.
Put them back
Okay,
to man.
a man.
Make person like Daddy Shoki or King Sunny Ade come say you want kiss Chidima.
Bongo Zikwe, you go wake up.
Chidima go run. Like really, waiting they bring that one out. Yes, you be legend, but
I go throw you off.
I don't know about that. Not their culture
But this
anyway.
is Madonna.
And even after that,
Who be
no, she be
Madonna?
God.
She won't be like Don Jazzy.
She be God.
Madonna be like Don
Yeah, but
Jazzy.
the thing pain am well because recently
I
she
know.
can't come out for inside
Yeah.
her own social media. She can't talk. Say she pray say when Drake be 56 and he still the rock stage. Say person no go hashtag culture again no. Say person no go do like
They no go deny am.
they no go do
wetin
wetin. They no go do wetin Drake
She
do to am.
Yeah.
So actually, she don't. Even if Drake don't come outside, tell her in fans, say yes, say now she a legend, he appreciate her, and forget Bobo. See all
And she
these
can
things.
still go on top of Twitter, be where
Yeah,
she tweet and say, you say you don't like me.
Yeah.
You dey watch my
watch
video.
my video.
You dey go my concert. My dear,
No.
go sit down for left to be
Say,
fine.
I dey go your concert, I dey watch your video, no mean say I know like I like you. So
I get plenty.
No, she get
Wait,
plenty
plenty Nigerian artists where I don't like.
because I go Olamide concert because I dey watch the video, na me say I like am, so you come carry mouth put for my mouth. This slap wey go collect.
Why you go?
Let's face the
Because
fact.
now
for-
artist, I
No.
want to entertain myself. I not go because I want kiss am.
No,
For
that is
wetin
not
now?
true. That is not true.
So I go because I want
So
kiss
if
am.
I am not a fan of yours, I shouldn't come to your concert.
No, what I'm
Is
trying
that-
to say, maybe I use myself as a point
Okay.
as an example.
You and who?
I not fit go show where I not say an artist who I not like they. I can't struggle to go show, pay for
No,
am.
likeness they different, Uwi.
No.
I like you know me say I
fan.
want color be you.
I'm not
No,
saying
I
we're
want
talking
to
about
color B.
we're
No,
not
we
talking
talk
about
about
color B.
liking your
We're talking about
Being a
liking
fan,
musician.
liking the
Okay,
musician,
about
being a
color
fan
B.
of the musician.
Like when you talk about say when she talk about say you like me to come my concert, so you not say something like yes I feel like your music, but
It just be like Lil Wayne.
Yes.
For me, no, it's synchronous.
You
They
see
go
Lil
together
Wayne?
for me.
Lil
If
Wayne,
you give me
all
free
his body.
tickets, I go.
Lil Wayne don't tattoo himself up and
Queen
down.
Bee.
That tattoo alone, na turn on. I like tattoo,
Queen
but
Bee,
not
you
to
don't
the
like
extreme.
Lil Wayne, Abi?
Yeah.
If I give you free tickets
So
plus
Lil Wayne
first
cost-
class flight, say go watch Lil Wayne. You say because you don't like her, you know
shall
they
go.
go.
Auntie I
Some
feel
people
no
not
go.
go.
And I still they play. I still they
Auntie,
play
I
Derek.
feel
I still they
logo.
play Lil Wayne
Okay.
song.
Anyway, we're gonna need to
So-
back small break right now because I know say Drake don't bring plenty question on top of this
Derek.
particular Derek.
Derek.
That be like man your mama say Buddhist. And wait say oh what's with that one name we call
Irene.
Irene. It is acceptable. It's acceptable.
We understand.
For pidgin, you know they baga.
All right, tell me what you think about what Derek do when Madonna do by first kiss
Touchlight
Derek.
No,
by
like
first
kiss, like kiss,
by
like
first
kiss.
kiss,
Touch kiss.
kiss Derek. You like him or you not like him? Enter Twitter, talk Wazobia, put your mouth for inside them. We they come back after this break.
But now Drake go know as a bit of color. Be Oh yes, in our old school Thursday throwback things. We don't throwback with our hair. The rest of us we did modern, but we get one video where we say go take you way back in time. No go anywhere. You need to watch this video.
Oh, 1 million. Oh, 1 million. Ese nwanyi 1 million. Abịa m na ya si abịa yọọ ya ayịyọ. Biko gee m ntị. Ofu mkpụrụ ife ka m bụ ịyọ nọ maka nwa ọmụmụ a. Anụ m dịka ibe m si arụ. Erizi n'obe di nwa amụtara m. Nke m nke ya zie ya ozi ọsị m ji emụta nke m. Nje nzukọ fa na amụma m ka ife mme. Ndị ụwa ji amụma m maka nwa nke a. Ọ bụrụ sokwu nwa nye m ya. Ụmụ ụwa wee ma na nna amụ nwa. Inyesi anya ya fee yi. Biko nne. Biko. Sokwu olu nwa ga-ewe ma na mụ nwa na amụgwa nwa nne biko. Biko ihe ka m bie ịyọ ị na-anya zi ya biko. Na-enyaba ọkụkọ. Nalonyo, nanu do, bikonde.
Andy. Nehemiah. Amaka, you resemble them.
No,
but that you know said that man mumu well for that film.
before
The power of
that
jazz.
the remote in head.
So how many of you are watching the Pt.2 Sapet? Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Tell us which part you like part because they don't see the jazz one. I don't see the man with mumu inside.
Uwi.
Coco of the day.
Nehemiah.
What's the name, Maya?
Look into my eyes.
Now,
Coco of the day. Remote and be that.
Okay, Coco of the day. Back in the old days, when the old days, they use stone, grind pepper and tomato and everything. So my question be this: grinding stone to grind pepper and tomato, or for stew, or blender, which one you go prefer?
You don't
Amaka,
use stone.
let me tell you
before.
something. Me, I'm a modern girl. This is 2015. If I go village, the villagers shall use stone. But right now in the city, I shall use blender.
But you know, say it gets different.
Forget about
blender.
flavor.
Forget
Put
flavor. All of
curry,
that.
put
Put seasoning. Everything
Season
go right
Sister
that
Lee,
way.
let me preach the gospel to
Tell
you.
them.
When you grind the pepper with the stone,
Uh-huh.
and you use it to make stew, and you eat that stew
Oh my
with
God.
rice, you shall make heaven.
Rabababa.
So how many times you want to use the grinding
Now
stone
once
to
in
make
a while,
it?
now
they
sure,
blue sun, my
for
dear.
you.
Very well.
Yes, I actually understand that grinding stone thing.
So you understand?
Yeah, I understand saying grinding stone. If they give the stew some kind
Nothing
local
they give
flavor.
in our head.
They
The
give
only
you
one where
our
I
head.
believe where now that firewood.
No grinding stone too.
Firewood.
No, grinding
You,
stone
when they
too.
cook party rice with firewood,
Grinding stone.
and you can't cook rice that type
With-
same
with
rice with the
cooker.
spice with cooker.
You not go feel am.
You still dey bus stop.
You not go feel
You
am.
no go. I don't know.
I tell you, you not go feel
I
am.
don't know. That's why on top of the show chop what they do, and they use charcoal.
You see
because
am?
it still bring the local thing
see am?
into it. But that stone, I feel it's
You just like
my
when they use knife to
nail.
slice pepper and tomato.
No, but now they don't get that rubber where they take ground pepper.
Ah, these
like
modern
one.
children of nowadays. I don't just understand what
No need.
Amaka, I better tell them if they put mouth inside Joe.
If you now want Chook Eye, enter all this our plenty talk on top our Coco of the day. Sharply enter at Talk Wazobia for Twitter. Petiana, there's a center Facebook.
Yes, they don't enter Facebook. They're not ready to enter, but may I just give them the address again. Now, Talk Wazobia dash. No,
Talk
Talk dash
dash
Wazobia
Wazobia
TV.
TV.
Yes.
All right.
The US